Good morning. Welcome back to UCAN. And this is my favorite little buddy, Wanty. Okay, what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you how to connect just normal holders for lights and the difference between an ES and a BC screw top bayonet fitting. I'm going to be showing you basically on the computer, so I won't be demonstrating it with my hands, but I just want you to get an understanding from the previous video. If you look at the previous video, you understand where this is all coming from. Anyway, carry on watching and enjoy. Okay, just to go back to our previous video, as I mentioned, you've got to connect the live into the center part of the holder, and you use the outer side of the holder for your neutral, not the opposite way around. Okay, if you look at this light holder here, this is your ES, your screw type holder. You'll notice that it has a steel bracing, which on this specific one would be your earth connection. Keeping in mind that that is very important, because that earth connection is going to then be connected to the rest of your fitting. So it doesn't matter where you touch that fitting, it will have an earth on it. Then you'll see there's an L there for your live connection, which is your live wire obviously, and then a neutral connection. These now will be connected in such a way that it will show you that the live is connected to the central point and the neutral will be on the outer side of the holder itself. Please do not swap that around. As mentioned, you want the center point to be your live, not the outer point. As described in the other video, you can get shocked by taking out the globe if it happens to be on and you don't realize it. As mentioned on our previous video, please go watch that one before watching this. If you look at the terminals, you'll see that it doesn't really matter which way you put the terminals, because the globe is exactly the same. It doesn't matter how you put the globe in. So live and neutral doesn't make a difference. Okay, you'll see that you get various types of holders. This is something that you'd screw onto a piece of wood or something like that. So being PVC, plastic, you don't have to worry about an earth. And as I mentioned, you don't have to worry about which way the terminals go on. You can put live neutral swapped around, makes no difference. Okay, I hope this short tutorial helps you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send us comments and we'll see if we can reply on it. And anything else that you would like to know about, let's see if we can help you. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.